Sending ethnicity background questionnaires. By the end of this video, you will understand the importance of collecting the ethnic background of your patients, understand the benefits of using Mjog to collect this data, and know how to use Mjog to send an ethnicity background questionnaire to your patients. Ethnicity is too often seen to be related just to the colour of a person's skin. In fact, it relates to individuals sharing a common racial origin, culture, language, religion and the like, and not just their appearance. Ethnic groups are now more commonly identified as a minority within a larger society, such as the African, Asian, Caribbean and Chinese people now living and working in Britain. Everyone belongs to an ethnic group, so all your patients and service users are being asked to describe their ethnic group. Ethnicity background data is collected so you can understand the needs of patients and service users from different groups and so provide better and more appropriate services for them. It can help you identify risk factors. Some groups are more at risk of specific diseases, and some groups have specific care needs, so ethnic group data can help treat patients and support service users by alerting staff to high-risk groups. It will help improve public health by making sure that your services are reaching all of your local communities and that you are delivering your services fairly to everyone who needs them. It will also aid you in complying with the law, as the Race Relations Act 2000 gives public authorities a duty to promote race equality and good race relations, and ethnic monitoring is important in making sure that race discrimination is not taking place.
The benefits of using Mjog to survey ethnic background include: Mjog Batch Messenger allows your surgery to send questionnaires electronically to your patients' smartphones to entire populations of patients, reducing the need for paper forms. Automatic recoding of responses significantly reduces the amount of administration involved. Pre-worded templates are available. When you send an ethnicity background questionnaire via Mjog, your patients will receive an SMS text which includes a link to the questionnaire. When your patients respond to their questionnaires, their ethnic background will be automatically recoded back to your clinical system. To send an ethnicity background questionnaire using Mjog, you'll first download the ethnicity background questionnaire template, set up the batch message, and then send the batch message. An ethnicity background questionnaire template is available for download from Mjog's extensive template library. You will now see how to download a message template.
From the home page of Mjog, click Settings. Now click on the Messages tab, and then on Change My Message Templates. Now click on Download Templates. Now you're in the template library, please select the information link. Find the ethnicity background template and click on the Download Templates link. Now that you have downloaded a message template for your questionnaire, you will see how to set up and send the questionnaire as a batch message. From the home page, select Send a Batch Message. Type a name for your message in the message name field. Click Save and Continue. The next step allows you to add your patients to the campaign. Click on Select Patient List. Navigate to the CSV file you have exported from your clinical system and double-click it. Once the patient list has uploaded, click Continue and then click Save and Continue. Click on the Template drop-down menu. Click on the Template drop-down menu and select the ethnicity background template you downloaded earlier. You will now see a preview of the template you have selected. Click on Use Template. This section allows us to add coding to our campaign. To add a code, select the Change link next to the thing you wish to code. You can now search by description for the code you require, in this case, white British. Click the Search button. Select the correct response from the list and click Save. Now repeat those steps to apply the coding for the remaining ethnic backgrounds. Mjog will warn you if you have missed any. At the end of this video, you will now understand the importance of collecting the ethnic background of your patients, understand the benefits of using Mjog to collect this data, and know how to use Mjog to send an ethnicity background questionnaire to your patients. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope you enjoy the benefits of using Mjog to send ethnicity background questionnaires.